Fuell is expanding its electric mobility lineup with the Folld, a new electric folding bike designed for urban dwellers. The Folld is a compact and convenient solution for city commuters, offering an innovative blend of technology, performance, and utility. At its core, the Folld stands out for its powerful rear hub motor sourced from Bafeng, a renowned Chinese specialist. This motor delivers a nominal output of 250 watts and 85 Newton-meters of torque, allowing the bike to reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour. Above this speed, you'll need to pedal, but this ensures the bike adheres to European e-bike regulations. The integration of a 720 watt-hour battery into the bike's frame is a design highlight. It's seamlessly incorporated, avoiding any bulky appearance. This battery provides an impressive range of 110 kilometers on a single charge, with the caveat of being on the lowest assist setting. The bike also offers 5 assist settings, though it lacks a throttle, again in compliance with European regulations. Fuell has equipped the Folld with quality components like a Shimano Altus drivetrain and Tektro HD 350 hydraulic disc brakes. The 20-inch fat tires are an excellent choice for tackling less than ideal urban roads, ensuring a smoother ride. One of the Folld's practical features is its foldable rear rack, which can hold up to 10 kilograms. This functionality enhances the bike's utility, making it a great option for carrying groceries or other essentials around the city. However, the robust and durable build of the Folld does increase its weight to 37.5 kilograms, which might be a consideration for those who frequently need to carry their bike. Priced at €2,500, the Folld is positioned as an affordable option in the e-bike market. Fuell is currently offering an introductory discount, lowering the price further. While it's not yet confirmed if the Folld will be available in the US market, its attractive price point and practical features make it an appealing option for urban commuters looking for an eco-friendly and efficient way to navigate the city.